Okay, let's go then.
Use any AoE here, please. The metal is at least you're gonna fuck it up. Just don't AoE.
Okay.
And don't run into people.
And spread. Whatever you do not stand next to the healers. And
Yes.
hard heals. The only way we wipe this is if the healers fuck up.
Or if we get pushed too much by other people.
What the?
Yeah. Spread a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Whatever.
Can somebody send the other orb this way? Never mind, I got it.
Hunter, can you
Switch target.
stay away from me?
If we had bloodlust, now is the time to use it.
Bloodlust.
Please. No then.
We didn't even want it. What?
Fuck.
What?
Uh-oh.
I got
People?
the flames. Jesus.
Pop your cooldown, thanks.
Yeah. Drop.
Minor up.
Tank.
Heals Amy, heals Amy.
Trying.
What should I do now?
Don't DPS. Don't AoE.
Yeah.
Who's the DPS?
The one with the health?
With the health.
Otherwise, fucking killing me.
None of them is with health.
Yes, there is. At the left.
Oh, come on. I got the vortex on me all the time. I'll take care of Zemi, Shaman, you heal.
Oh!
Jesus.
Rex me! Get your profile on her.
These niggas ain't where I am. Standing tall in these burning straws. Bitch, Kevin Gates said I am. Spirit shit, you'll never hit. Doubt too much, you'll never feel me. In the
People, I'm out of cooldowns.
ain't never build me. Got rejected, who the call
No, I'm
Spit this
DC'd.
shit till they coma gone. Spit this shit till they coma on. I secure the city, whole perimeter. I'm strapped up like I'm home alone. 2 wolves, then I'm hitting you. I like my tools all trumpet black. You don't see it until the train mode. Intromated shit, sacred jazz. 2 10s beating in the back and going Drew Brees plus Warren Sapp. Really soldier since James Tapp. You ain't slim, bitch, stick to rap. I'm JD with a lord of gang. Old shit, behold his back. Old shit, this boy to rap. Hunt wolves, they move in packs. Solo when you see me till I'm Jordan trying to 3P flow sweet. I bring that.
Oh wait, what? We're still going.
Motherfucking
Yeah.
Indian chief.
We're third, yeah.
I thought it would be dead or it would be a wipe.
Guys, I only have 3 orbs. Watch it.
They say that a nigga be evil. I'm out of it, send me your evil. Puppy, save all the divas.
Come on, come on, come on.
Kill it, kill it, kill it.
They stole a girl like Chica.
Yeah, okay.
Fuck this shit.
Easy game is like
Down. All of you niggas just send a
job.
And someone is getting some gear again.
Yeah.
do we check Rod face now or go for Queen? Yeah, let's check Rod face.